Hello fellas, welcome! This is the video about microbiology practicum. The topic we will discuss are about sterilization, dilution, sampling, and inoculation. Hoping this video can give you a little bit information about microbiology. Let's see the video. Before we start the practicum, we need to prepare all the materials and tools. First, to do the sterilization, we need napkin, cross, cotton, newspaper, nylon, label, soap, water, autoclave, and oven. And the last, don't forget aluminum foil and spatula. Oops! Before we start, don't forget to use safety equipment, which is lab coat, mask, and latex gloves. Let's continue to the procedure. First, clean the bacteria in petri dish using spatula and put it in aluminum foil. Second, wash all the laboratory tools who need to sterilize. Third, put it at the napkin and wait until dry. Cover all the tools using newspaper and make a bottle stopper. Put all the tools in oven at temperature 110 Celsius for 2 hours. Okay guys, the sterilization is already done. Let's move to the next topic. Second, what we need to do the dilution. Stirrer heater, digital scales, bottle stopper, almayer, stir magnet, spatula, aqueduct, and nutrient agar. Dilution procedure. First, weigh the nutrient agar up to 5.6 to 5 grams. Second, pour 250 ml aqueduct to almayer. Third, put the stirrer magnet to almayer and stir it in stirrer heater. Last, put at the autoclave and set the temperature up to 110 Celsius for 2 hours. The dilution process are finished. Next, sampling. In this topic, we will show you two kinds of procedure. First, making LF, and the second, making sample 10 power minus 1 from river water and soil. What we need to do the sampling? Measuring pipette, test tube, bulb, spiritus lamp, match, almayer, bottle stopper, measuring glass, river water, sodium chloride, aqueduct, and soil. Making LF. First, put 0.425 gram of sodium chloride to almayer. Second, pour 50 ml of aqueduct to almayer and then shake it to make LF homogen. Next, making sampling. First, measure the sample we take from river water using measuring glass. To make sample 10 power minus 1, take 9 ml of LF using pipette and put it in test tube. After that, take 1 ml of river water using pipette and do the same way to make sampling of soil. Shake the test tube to make it hot. Continue to the next topic. Fourth, inoculation. We need petri dish, napkin, spiritus, match, measuring pipette, incubator, nutrient agar, and LF. Inoculation procedure. In this process, we use both method, guys. Okay, first, take 0.1 ml of river water sample using pipette and put it at the petri dish. After that, put the nutrient agar. For soil sample, take 1 ml of sample using pipette and put it in petri dish and do the same way. Put the petri dish at the napkin and then make a force to make it homogeneous. Write your name and kind of sample in your petri dish and put it in incubator with back position. Do the observation for each sample. For river water sample in 48 hours, check it every 24 hours. For soil sample in 9 hours, and don't forget to check it. Okay guys, the procedure for each topic is already done. Next, continue to the result. Thanks for watching.